Hi guys, come with me. Let's moisturize my hair. You don't take. It have been a long time that I moisturize my hair, honestly. So for the rosemary water, for the rosemary and female water that I did last time, I'm almost done with it. Seriously. So we are still using it. We are still using it. So I'll go in with my oil. I have only coconut oil. How is my hair, you guys? How do you see my hair? Is my hair growing? Are we retaining length at all? Because I don't even understand. Are we retaining length at all? Seriously. Are we really retaining length, or we are just wasting all our efforts in using hair growth shortening? So I think we are okay with this, and with this we're able to, manage it like this till tomorrow. I'll do a little spray again. So this is okay. So I'm done for now, and I'll be going offline. Okay, so see you guys later. I'm loving my hair, seriously.